Here we go.
Coverage prices has increased. Everyone loves us. They made us great.
We didn't deport them, we erased them.
We made America great.
And that was the end of the first phase of democracy as laid out by the Founding Fathers, and the beginning of the healing.
What a powerful clip. And as most of y'all know, I favored Trump in the beginning. Definitely better than the alternative. But the more things that go on and the more I watch, the more I just realize it's all definitely just the same team. So I'm not... you can't convince me otherwise. I mean, with the Epstein stuff and all this stuff that Trump seems to be leaning toward, especially with him pushing this digital system, I mean, that is definitely the mark of the beast, if you ask me. And with the Epstein files, I mean, it's just too much. I just can't stand with that no more. You know, it's two sides of the same coin. Democrat, Republican, it's all the same.